In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear app usage data on App Store. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings app and there scroll down for a bit and get into App Store. Now here scroll down to the very bottom and tap Add Personalized Recommendations. Here it says that Apple is committed to keeping your personal information safe while providing you with a more personalized experience. All the data below will be used to improve your recommendations in the App Store. And all you have to do to clear this app usage data is just tap here at Clear App Usage Data and there confirm it by tapping on Clear App Usage Data again. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.